Surface Go 64 gig with 4 gigs of RAM. Perfect for education. It's affordable, it's lightweight, and it's durable. So it's aimed for the K-12 market. Good for kids. And here I have the keyboard. It's the Alcantara Burgundy keyboard. And let's open it up and see what we find. Okay, so I opened the box, and here you can see we have the charging cable. It's a charging cable. It has a universal adapter here. You can take this adapter and switch it to another kind of adapter if you're from another country. And you have the charging cable here, which uses the Surface connector still. And we have the unit itself here. It's a pretty small tablet. We have a sticker on it on the back here. Looks pretty good. Rounded edges, so if it falls down from the table, it shouldn't get destroyed immediately. If you see up here, it has the Windows Hello camera. I don't know if you can properly see it, but it will have facial recognition, so you can unlock the machine just from looking at it. And if we go down here, now we can try to open the Surface stand, and has the same kind of stand that you would find on a Surface Pro unit. So it's pretty good. And down here you have a slot for a memory card. And as you can see here, it's the 64 gig disk. All in all, it looks really nice. It's just a miniature version of the Surface Pro. The keyboard, though, it doesn't quite clip. So I wanted to clip the keyboard on, but it was a bit hard because the keyboard is brand new, but it does clip onto the side for more stability. And it looks really nice and looks really good, and I'm looking forward to using this as my main computer going forward.